Lychakiv Cemetery, this is a museum, and if you are a foreigner you can easily visit this place to buy a ticket. There is a cash desk near the entrance, some small amount. And if you see on this map, so there is 87 fields, which takes 42 hectares. Yeah, rather big area. There are around 300,000 burials and around 2,000 tombs. Yeah, a lot of family tombs, like this one, for example. And the cemetery itself was founded in 1786, but people know that even at 13th century, people who died from plague were buried here. And even you can find here the oldest burials, which dated 1675. So a lot of tombs, like piece of arts, as you see. And as far as I know, the cemetery was closed for burials around the middle of the 20th century, but a lot of burials are in very bad conditions, because you understand that maybe there are not any relatives here. So Lychakiv Cemetery.